As a dad of 2 daughters, visiting SciScape was such a fun experience for us. My girls were excited from the moment we walked in. What made it even more special was the pizza making activity. My daughters absolutely loved it. The staff were very friendly and accommodating, always ready to guide and answer questions. This place is the perfect mix of fun and learning, and I'm so glad I got to share this experience with my kids. We'll definitely be back. My family's visit to SciScape was so much fun. The exhibits are interactive and really engaging, perfect for me and my 2 little girls. I especially loved how the staff were so friendly and accommodating. They made the whole trip smooth and enjoyable from start to finish. I highly recommend this place if you're looking for a unique learning adventure. Had a great time with our family. Loved our stay here. We were able to do pizza making and soap making, subject to the payment of an additional fee inside the premises. The keychain making activity was fun as well. My visit to the Dream Lab was nothing short of remarkable. From the moment I stepped inside, I felt like I was entering a space designed to inspire creativity, innovation, and curiosity. The atmosphere was vibrant yet welcoming, with a perfect balance of modern design and comfort. Every detail, from the layout of the workstations to the lighting and ambience, was thoughtfully curated to spark imagination and encourage collaboration. What stood out most to me was the way DreamLab blended technology with hands-on learning. The equipment and tools provided were not only up-to-date but also user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to explore new ideas while giving professionals the resources to push their boundaries. Whether it was experimenting with digital platforms, engaging with interactive exhibits, or joining group workshops, there was always something stimulating and engaging to do. This place is amazing. I went with my friends and we had so much fun, especially on the rocket machine. Every corner has something cool to try. I also loved the train ride. It was such a unique experience. Can't wait to come back with my family next time. Very convenient. Love it. Kids enjoy smooth check-in. It's everything explorative and immersive. Masayapag Family Group KO. Kids and kids at heart who are very curious of how things work will really love it here. Madaming pwede gawin.